We have tried to bounce out of this drawdown a few times and continue to remain stuck. We are still up a few percentage points on the quarter, up on the year, up on the month because we had a strong start, but down today, minus 62.70 for Monday's trade, which is live on the week, live on the day because it is Monday. And underperforming the hypotheticals, we've kind of gone back and forth on that a little bit. Extra slippage and automation errors, but we are ahead of the hypotheticals this month because we had we were about $2,000 better on the first trading day of the month. This price action has become, in my opinion, just extremely unreasonable, and it is choppy. So we talk about how the market, don't short a dull market, how choppy, how narrow and low volatility price action is bullish. This has been anything but dull. It has been very choppy and stop running in nature. Let's look at it. Sets up for some short trades. You know, it talked about how the market, you know, some investors will say, longer term traders, investors will say, don't ever short the stock market. And that's true, probably true in most cases. On a day trade basis, though, there's plenty of opportunities to short the market, but lately there has not been as many. And you can see how we're extremely due for a pullback, a distribution day, something that makes the bulls doubt the market a little bit. But you get this last Thursday, market was traveling higher, and then since last Thursday, the sell-off bounced back, rally, sell-off, bounce back, and then sell-off, bounce back, sell-off, bounce back, just constant dip buying. And you can't get a short trade for probably more than 30 minutes, it seems, in this type of market because there's just this dip buying that happens to buy every 30-minute sell-off. And but we've had 3 days in a row where we're just fighting this short trade, and so oftentimes when we see this constant propping up, the market goes down the next day, or at least opens lower and then rallies again. So propping, it didn't go down, it went up. And so propping, it didn't go down, it went up. Propping, you know, should be some downside to this market a little bit. Even in the strongest of bull markets, there are down days. You can go up, 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 and then have a down day, and then up, 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 and have. There's not many down days where the market sells off into the close in this kind of bull market, but we've historically seen those. So it's interesting. It's hard to imagine this market would just continue to surge higher. This is one of the choppier uptrends I've seen. It's just not. This is the last 3 days since the end of Thursday through today. It's just not typically bullish to see this kind of chop and then expect higher prices. So we'll see, though. You know, it could just open up tomorrow and be real smooth and trend higher, but we'll see. So let's look at the trades on the day. Very contentious. The Nasdaq trades were 0 for 6, and so we were up on the day. We were doing well at the highs, and the market sold off, took out the lows, and then just went dead around the lows. Similar to last week, it's just extremely. Just like Friday's trade, you know, it rallied, sold off, and then just went sideways, and then rallied, sold off around the stops, and then goes sideways into the close. And so not really typical of the way the market typically trades. On a regular basis, there's always been stop running, there's always been volatile price action, there's always been reversal price action, but not the regular everyday, all-day trade that we've been seeing lately. So EVP1 stopped out. EVP1 stopped out on the long side, then went short and stopped out on the short side. And Robot stopped out. It started to look like Friday's trade almost exactly. The market surged and then sold off. The market surged, like it was about to sell off, and then it rallied, and then it sold off in the afternoon. And so there's some similarities in the type of strategies. EVP1 was long early on Friday, and then it was stopped out on both of these. Same today. Momentum reversal. A tick count trend got short, stopped out. Momentum reversal got long, stopped out. Zigzag was 1 for 3, down on the day. 0 for 6 in the Nasdaq. All 6 Nasdaq strategies were down on the day. and it's hard to watch. You desire in your trading to have some validation, some success, some winning trades, and so when you go through a losing streak, continues to be tough psychologically. This quarter is very slow, and it's very trying to see this kind of winning percentage in this kind of market environment. And I continue to do some research, and I have some new things I'm working on. I hope I can release soon a couple of strategies that did well today, a couple of other additional new ones that lost today. The net result of my research is around break even. Would have been around break even for today with some short strategies and some long strategies. S&P was 244. SR counter trend 2V2 1M plus 50. SR counter trend 2V2M 1M minus 50. And tick counter trend dynamic turnaround. It's minus 912.50. An opening chop. The opening chop strategies are doing well this month. I'm glad we didn't remove them yet. Pretty strong start. Here's the beginning of June. So opening chop 1 was up on Thursday. Didn't trade on Friday. Up today, and so that was the highlight of the day. Was the opening chop plus 862.50. The only significant winner all day, actually. So we had one other winner on the ES for plus 50, while the other two ES trades and all the Nasdaq trades were losers. So down day, we are due for a cycle in our favor, and we should see a smooth downtrend at some point. It's just unusual to go this long without more trends and without a fairly reasonable downtrend that doesn't violently reverse and take out the highs before going lower. So once again, these are the trades on Monday, June the 5th, 2023. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.